Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to fix Roblox not responding. Alright, let's begin. First, locate Roblox player on your computer, right-click it, and select Properties. In the Shortcut tab, click the Run drop-down menu and choose Minimized. Next, open the Compatibility tab and enable Run this program in compatibility mode. Select Windows 7 from the drop-down menu. Then, check Disable Full Screen Optimizations and run this program as an administrator. Click Apply and then OK to save the changes. If Roblox is still not responding, open Windows Search, type Roblox, and select App Settings. Scroll down and click Terminate to completely close the app. After that, click Reset and confirm by clicking Reset again. This will restore the app to its default state and can fix issues caused by corrupted settings or temporary files. So that's basically how you can fix Roblox not responding. And that's it for this video. Thanks!